Today we're going to learn how to write the uppercase and lowercase letter H. To practice writing today, you may use your finger and write the letter in the air. Use your finger gently on your writing device to trace or write the letter. Or if someone is at home and there to help you, you may use a piece of paper and writing utensil that you choose. Let's begin. This is the uppercase H. It has 3 steps. Step 1, starting at the top of our writing space, we're going to draw a straight line down, and we stop at the bottom line of our writing space. Lift. We're going to repeat this step just a little bit further to the right. Straight line down from top to bottom, stopping, lifting, coming to the middle dashed line, and connecting our 2 lines together with a 3rd line straight across and to the right. That is how you write the uppercase H. Now, let's do it together. Get your finger ready. Here we go. Step 1, straight line down. Stop and lift. Come back up a little bit further away to the right. Another straight line down. Stopping, making sure that our lines are about the same height. Coming to the middle, doing a straight line to the right, connecting steps 1 and 2. That is how you write the uppercase H. Now again, it's your turn. I would like you to practice writing the uppercase H on your own. You may do that now. If your uppercase H looks like my uppercase H, then you did a fantastic job. Okay. Now, this is the lowercase h. The lowercase h has 2 steps. Step number 1, starting at the top of our writing space at the top line, we're going to draw a straight line down, stopping at the bottom line of our writing space. Step 2, we're going to curve up and to the right and curve back down, making like a little hill. That is step 2. And this is how you write the lowercase h. Now, let's practice one more time together. Get your fingers ready. Step 1, straight line down. Step 2, coming back up, curving to the right and down once more. Again, stopping at our bottom line. Great job. Now it's your turn. Get your finger ready. Go ahead and practice writing the lowercase h. If your lowercase h looks like my lowercase h, then you did it correctly. Fantastic job. Let's review. We're going to do these together. Get your finger ready. Let's go over and practice writing on the left-hand side of our screen the uppercase H. Step 1, straight line down, stop, lift, come back up, another straight line down, stopping, coming to the middle, drawing step 3, which is our straight line to the right, connecting step 1 and 2. Great job. Coming over here to the lowercase h, fingers ready, let's do this together. Step 1, straight line down. Step 2, coming back up, curving to the right and curving down once more, stopping at the same area as our step 1. And that is how we make our lowercase h. It's your turn. I want to see you do this on your own. On the left-hand side of our screen, practice writing your uppercase H now. If your uppercase H looks like mine, you did it correctly. Great job. Now, keep those fingers up. Going to the right side of our screen, I want you to practice writing the lowercase h. You may do that now. If your lowercase h looks like my lowercase h, then you did it correctly. Great job. And that is the end of our lesson on learning how to write the uppercase and lowercase letter H.